Welcome back to Nutritionnomics, your ultimate source for budget-friendly plant-based nutrition inspiration. Today, we're diving into the world of affordable and delicious vegan breakfasts that won't break the bank. Whether you're a student on a tight budget or simply looking to save while savoring your morning meal, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Vegan overnight oats. Our first budget-friendly breakfast idea is a staple in the vegan community: overnight oats. Not only are they a nutritious powerhouse, but they're also easy on your wallet. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of almond milk, or your preferred plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a handful of fresh or frozen berries, 1 sliced banana. Instructions. In a mason jar or container, combine the oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and your choice of berries. Stir it all together, add the sliced banana, seal the jar, and pop it in the fridge overnight. Wake up to a creamy, satisfying breakfast that's rich in fiber and antioxidants. Budget-friendly vegan smoothie. Next on our budget-friendly breakfast menu is a vibrant and nutrient-packed smoothie. It's quick, easy, and won't put a dent in your budget. Gather these ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 cup of water. Instructions. Toss all these fantastic ingredients into your blender, hit the switch, and within seconds, you've got yourself a wholesome breakfast. This smoothie is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant-powered energy to kickstart your day. Vegan avocado toast. Our third budget-friendly breakfast is a classic: avocado toast. It's a perfect balance of creamy, savory, and budget-friendly. Grab these ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices of whole grain bread, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes for seasoning. Instructions. Mash that ripe avocado and spread it generously on your toasted whole grain bread. A pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for that extra zing, and you're good to go. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying way to start your day. There you have it, folks. 4 budget-friendly vegan breakfast ideas that will fuel your day without emptying your wallet. Eating plant-based can be affordable and delicious, as these recipes have shown. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more budget-friendly nutrition tips. Thanks for joining us today on Nutritionnomics, and we'll see you next time for more wallet-friendly, plant-based goodness.